Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a weight loss campaign inside GoHighLevel's Ads Manager. So let's go. So here we go to Marketing Ads Manager. You know what? You're going to be with me on this actual ad campaign that I'm creating for a client. And come with me on this adventure of creating an ad campaign for weight loss. Here we go. So my first thing is creating a lead generation ad. I have all of my images ready. If you comment the word Lola in the comments, I'll create share and I'll give you my prompts, everything. So for me, I'm going to create it in English and Spanish, because since we have virtual assistants who speak English and Spanish. Let me get this banana. So here we go. The first thing I want to do is create my ad. And when I create my ad, I'm going to do it very, very simple. I'm going to put the image in there first. The image, I'm going to put in there the image I just created in ChatGPT. So here we go. And the point is to create a scheduled virtual telehealth appointment. So we go to here, press start, and we look at the booked form. It's just going to be a contact form, and I'll show you how that works towards the end. And I need ad copy. So I'm not going to go bore you with all this ad copy. What is important? What is important thing is when you create your ad copy, I'm going to create it saying, make this Meta Ads policy compliant. The reason I'm saying it is because you never want for healthcare, you don't want your ads to be disapproved. So that one line helps me to save my accounts. Okay. So as that's creating, so once somebody clicks on here, they go to the contact us. They're going to go there. Greetings. I never like to put a greeting in none of my ads. For some reason, greeting, it's like, yes, just give me your information. Like you came here to schedule your free consultation. Schedule your weight loss appointment. That's what they're there for. They want to see how they're going to lose weight. More barriers is going to make it harder for somebody to convert. It's going to go to my name, my email address. All right, we're almost done here. And the most important part is you want to put your policy, your privacy policy team, and then scheduling it. All right, so this is the most important part for the thank you page. It's going to make it or break it to go into the contact. So I'm going to show you. Almost done, because they're not done yet. They need to click the blue button. Now what's going to happen is they submit the information. Now they have to book an appointment. They have to show up to an appointment. Next step, schedule a date and time. Instead of saying, thank you so much, bye. No, here's the next step. Let's actually schedule you for your next appointment. And it's going to go to the website to schedule an appointment. All right, let me just make sure the website's working here. Okay. So, okay, everything is ready. My form is ready. I'm just going to call this book 2, version 2. All right. Now I need my ad copy. We're almost done with this ad. So doctor support, weight management from home. Yeah. So weight management is way better than losing weight. Here we go. It's scheduling your weight loss consultation from home. Okay. And then here is going to be schedule your weight loss call today. Literally just copying what Meta has seen or ChatGPT has seen in the past that works very, very well. Here, sorry. Okay. Copy this. I'm not going to put any type of pricing. I just want them to be interested in scheduling. Okay. All right. So the first image, it is done. What I like to do here is press duplicate and upload the other images. Try different images, right? You want to try to see which image is going to work. It's going to be better with the little red icon with that we're live. You never just want to just schedule just one. Just schedule multiple of them. Okay. So I'm just going to schedule one more to see which one works. Now the problem, you see, with people on mobile, nobody's going to look at this. It looks big here on a mobile screen. It's going to be very, very tiny. So you can't even read the words on mobile here. That's where a lot of marketers make a big mistake. Just keep it very simple. Keep it so simple. All right. So let me upload my next ad. So I'm trying out three different versions here. And here we go. Now, where are we going to target this thing? So this customer is in Mississippi. So I'll put Mississippi. For some reason, I can't spell Mississippi. Man. All right. Not Mission Impossible, Mississippi. Here we go. And here we go. You're going to like the next part, what I'm going to do here. I'm going to create this and make it broad. I'm going to put age 30. Okay. I'm just going to say USA. Everyone. Okay. I'm going to get one. Oh, sorry. This is Mississippi, everyone. Okay. Watch how I create this into 20 different ads. Here we go. So creating a next one. This one is actually going to be retargeting from his whole entire contact list. This one is what people sometimes always forget you on. This is the retargeting list of his entire contacts, people who visited his page, people who saw him. Just retargeting everybody, right? If you notice, it was just $2 I just spent. Okay, the next one I'm going to add, these are just $1 campaigns. I'm going to add in retargeting male. Facebook likes when you just target one particular demographic. I'll just call this retargeting. Okay. They like when you just go after male or female. Here we go. And this one is just going to be female. Okay. And here we go. There we go. So we have female, we have male. All right. Now I'm going to make this in Spanish. So, make this content. Oh, it's actually telling me where to go to, like broad interest targeting. That's very, very good. And retargeting. So one of them, we could do the retargeting on here. So, sorry, the interest targeting. We already did the retargeting. So I'll just put interest. So we have three sets. We have everybody, interest targeting, and retargeting here. Okay. So we have the interest targeting, which is going to be somebody who's they want weight loss. It's like, are they trying to work out? Are they interested in the gym? Because they're already into that market, right? So they want to. I'll just put the gym. A lot of people who go to the gym, they want to lose weight a little bit quicker. So interested in gymnastics. Not gym memes. Pure gym. Okay. So I'll put like wellness. Okay. All right. Let's do some health. There we go. All right. Now the last part is I'm going to make this in Spanish. Make this ad copy in Spanish and the images in Spanish. Here we go. So it's going to create everything in Spanish. So I just did everything in English, and I'll just put English, Mississippi targeting. And the good thing is I could target the whole entire world too, right? But just for him, I could just do Mississippi. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have $5. That's going to give us about 1 or 2 leads per day. He might need around like 20 of them. So, okay. So what I'm going to do here is everybody. I like to separate them in different buckets. Everybody. I'm going to put everybody male. If you notice, I'm being very, very granular, right? I'm not putting everything in one particular campaign. Okay. And then creating female. Here we go. Okay. Now that's creating me, it's going to create me the images. It's going to create me the ad copy, everything to do. It's going to create everything for me. Okay. So you have the interest targeting. I could do interest targeting male. Now we can separate male and female. Okay. Male. Okay. And then we can do another one, copy it to female. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do female. So it's a lot of campaigns, and you're separating your ads. So you're not spending 5, 5, 5, 5. You're spending 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and you just like, it's like playing the lottery and just making sure which one works. Here we go. Okay. So I still need ad copy. I still need ad copy. Not the images. Okay. All right. So it made me the image. Now I'm just gonna press publish because this is all in English. Okay, here we go. It's gonna check everything, see if I'm compliant, if the words I'm using, it's scanning all these things. From all my ad copy was vetted through ChatGPT to make sure that this is gonna be compliant for the images and the ad copy. So it's important to tell your ChatGPT read the policy as well. All right, woo, some arrows. So the image might not be available. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. Recommend to connect. Oh, it's actually for Instagram. Sorry, a phone number. That's interesting. I'll do it one more time. And for the interest targeting, what I wanted to try, this is a new feature. I want to try to call out the person's name. So now in here, you can actually pull out the person's name as well. Okay. I'm gonna choose the person's I'll leave this one alone. That's a very new feature. I haven't played around with it. All right, let me try it one more time. See what happened. See what happened. A lot of people, they give up in this process. I'm just gonna let it scan again to see what's happening. Then I'll check back on it. Okay. It's in process here. It gave me all the ad copy, things to say. I can't read in Spanish. I can understand Spanish, but I can't read in Spanish. So let's create everything in Spanish next. Okay. All right, here we go. So it looks like it was able to publish that second time, which is great. Let's do it in Spanish now. Now we're going to create everything in Spanish. The only difference in Spanish, the most important part in Spanish, we put the language, Spanish. I like to select all of them in Spanish. So we select that in Spanish, and we're just going to grab our content here. I think that's the title. So I'm just going to replace this part, this part, this part. Okay, so we're going to change around some of the words here. We're just going to upload some of those images we had in Spanish. We have this one, and then we have, I think we might need one more. Oh, here we go. And I'll just say, make me another image in Spanish that's different. Okay. So I have one. So I would say I'll put this here. I'll put these in the title. I'll put these in the title. I'll put these in the title. And then I'll put this in the description. Okay. All right. So next thing I'm going to do is delete all of these. You're like, why are you deleting all of these? One thing I like about Meta is that I'm able to quickly add in, you know, delete stuff. And Meta would just be like, if you do it in GoHighLevel way quicker. And Meta is just like loading screen, loading screen, loading screen, loading screen, loading. Look how many ads I created within this 10-minute video here. Okay, so the only thing I would need probably is this also in Spanish. I would need to make a Spanish contact form. I almost forgot that. So I'm just going to use Google Translate to see what this word means. Schedule your weight loss. Okay, I'll do that. And the website is actually made in Spanish too. So I'll put hashtag Spanish to take them to a Spanish version. Guys, if you don't have your Spanish websites, you are missing out. Okay, so let us go to Spanish. Let me make these words in Spanish. Next step here, I'll just say, because this is going to be Spanish. Click the blue button, it's in Spanish. And then I'll put almost done in Spanish here. Okay. All right. That looks good. Looks perfect. Let me upload that last image that's going to be here. Let's put this in Spanish. I think I saved it. Here. Look, oh, there we go. That looks pretty. As a bonus, one thing I like to do also, I like to make at least one of these into a video. And I'll just put this, I'll upload it to Hicksfield and make this as a video. So it needs to check to see if it's compliant, and that's when we're going to make a video. All right, I won't bore you with this because it's going to take some time. Here we go. So, come on. Here we go. All right, I'll leave it towards the end. Okay, so I'm targeting everybody who speaks Spanish, who lives in Mississippi. This is great. I'm gonna do retargeting as well. Retargeting. I'm gonna put retargeting males. Okay. Retargeting males. It's gonna be retargeting here, targeting the entire audience base here. And let us. Okay. So retargeting the audience base. I'm gonna target the female audience base as well. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And if you're watching this, thank you so much for being on this journey with me while I create this ad campaign. So, okay. All right. So we have $3 set aside here. Now, I could do one more for like interest targeting. I could do everyone that's a male, everyone a male. Certain reason Facebook loves like when you just like separate them, male and female. Okay. And then last one is going to be female. Okay. All right. So we have a lot of people in there. We could always crank up the budget as well. Okay. Let me see the Hicksfield. All right, it got approved, and I'm gonna generate less than 2 cents. 2 cents to generate this. All right. I'm going to press publish. Now, if there's an error, try it again. Second time, third time, just keep on trying it again. If it just really keeps on restricting you, then there is an error, like a true error. But sometimes it's just like verifying these things. Okay. Now, let me just check to see if everything's running. The ads have been published. They are running. And by today, we should at least get 10 leads. I want 10 leads, and then my appointment setters to actually call those 10 leads as well to schedule a doctor's appointment with the doctor. So I'm just going to refresh the page here to make sure everything is loading correctly here. There we go. That one got published too. So, you know, this client really wants a lot of leads to come in. So I'm just going to press copy, and I'm going to just upload some videos to it. That's a video of me. So let me just upload some videos, and I'm just going to call this the video ads. I'll just put some videos in here. I want to see how videos compares to still images. That's really crucial. I did a vertical versus horizontal just to see the difference in them. See which one is going to perform best. Now with Meta, it's going to resize, so it's going to resize by itself. There you go. Here we go. And so that might look like a square, but in different ratio sizes, it's going to look way better. Like ready to start. See the stories is going to look way better. Okay. All right, here we go. Just going to adjust it for a few. You know, for us, we just try to see which is going to work better, images or videos. Okay. All right. So as I'm updating all of these, and you're like, this is too much going on here. The reason I'm updating all of these, I want to see which is going to really perform. It's a lot of ads. I'm still going to do it. I'm going to pause the video and then I'll come back to you guys. I'm back. So finish uploading all the videos. It's still spinning to make sure that it's copying from GoHighLevel into Meta. So it doesn't matter like the video size. Here we go. It's saving everything. It's a lot of videos, a lot of campaigns. I just created one as an image campaign, one as a video campaign, and let's go ahead and apply here. That just means that the video size is just too large, but it's still going to publish. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So by tomorrow, I'm going to show you all the results from all the campaigns. This is the campaign setup for the weight loss. And this is great to experiment what's working between images versus videos. I do want to say you do need certain companies and clients that are letting you do AI images and videos. A lot of clients are very particular what they want to see their images and videos. So you have to experiment a lot with AI in order to get the best results for the interest targeting. So I know a lot of clients only have one images, one video, and it's because what they want, but I say just you have to experiment. All right, while that's going to be publishing right now, it made a Spanish one. This is interesting. So I did a Spanish one, 9x16.
Together, we can create a sustainable plan for your weight loss journey. Together, we can create...
I would say make the words in Spanish. The words in Spanish. Okay, I'm going to switch this a little bit here. And here we go. So that's generating one. So, okay. All right, I won't bore you with that other campaign for Spanish, but if you like this video, let me know if you have any comments and things you want to see. All right, thanks guys. All right, bye.